How to use private label rights products. Would you believe a person if they told you that it was possible to take another person's work, change it any way you please, and call the edited material yours? What if that person also told you that besides being able to do so, you could actually profit from that work and not be liable for any copyright infringement? If you haven't heard of private label rights, then you'd most likely think that they were pulling your leg. But all of the above is true if you are able to secure these rights. Welcome to Affluence Online, the place to learn about investing and managing your finances. Before we jump into the content, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another video. We share tips on how to make money every single week. And be sure to hit the like button if you're getting value from these free tips. What are private label rights? To understand why private label rights are so special, you need to know about resale and master resale first. Resale rights are simply the permission from the owner of a work, a book for example, to allow you to take the said material and distribute it for your own profit. Master resale rights take it a step further and allow you to sell the resale rights to the work. The reason why it is called master resale rights is because it covers a large set of permissible actions to the person that acquires those rights. Experts would tell you that to get the most of your purchasing of master resale rights, the following list of actions should allow you to 1. Give the material away unaltered. 2. Combine the material with others. 3. Give the material away as a bonus item. 4. Use the material as content for websites. 5. Divide the product into separate articles. 6. Put the rights for material or the material itself up for auction. 7. Provide the material as content for paid membership sites. 8. Sell resale rights for the material. 9. Change or alter the material. Buying the whole set of rights is great, but it can cost you. But there is a way to get almost all of these actions and not have to pay as much for master resale rights if you acquire just the right to change or alter the material, which is exactly what private label rights are. With these sets of rights, you are given permission to change another person's work. By altering the material, you've made the work your own, which then allows you to profit from the material any way you intend to. Let's say you were able to acquire private label rights for a particular ebook. What can you do? For starters, you can break up the book into separate chapters and then sell these as articles. On the other hand, if you are able to acquire private label rights for a set of articles, you can combine them and package it as a book, which you can then sell. You can change the material's content by adding or removing details. You can also add pictures or illustrations, as well as other media like sound or video clips. All of these actions are possible, but the best part about private label rights is that you are not obligated to mention the original author or pay them any royalties for the changes you have done to his or her material. You can claim the material as yours by putting your name as the author of the material. With these changes, the ways of capitalizing on them are many. You can come up with a whole new set of products from a single material source. Take an ebook for example. On one hand, you've broken up the book to sell them as articles. On the other hand, you've enhanced the book's content with media to package it as your own work and put it up for sale on the market. Acquiring private label rights is a great way to create a brand for your business. As you may already know, one of the keys to a successful business is to distinguish yourself from the rest. With private label rights, you can change the material and make it uniquely yours. If your target market likes your material, Your market can perceive you as an expert in your line of business, which is something you can really capitalize on as you sell your products or services. However, it is not only the person who acquires private label rights who stands to benefit from it. It may be difficult to understand at first, but selling private label rights benefits even the original creator. With the increasing demand for original material to be sold with private label rights, a writer can make good money from his or her work. The incentive is that he or she can command a higher price for the work given the rights that go with the material. Furthermore, selling the right to change the material in any way the buyer wants is actually giving new life to the material. By giving the buyer the freedom to change the content in a number of creative ways, the material's usability and relevance is extended. By compensating the original content creator well, by allowing freedom and flexibility for the purchaser, and by giving the end user a wealth of very useful information, private label rights are by far one of the best things out there in the world of online marketing. Are you ready to generate traffic from private label rights products? Check out the link in the description to IDPLR, a database of over 12,000 PLR products which you can resell and keep 100% of the profits. It includes ebooks, videos, graphics, templates, articles, and audio files. IDPLR has been helping thousands of people grow their online business, and they can help you too. Thank you for spending some time with Affluence Online. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. We also handpick these videos that we recommend you watch next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you back again soon.